If you are wondering how you can set live wallpaper on your PC but not sure how, today in this video we'll be guiding you on how you can set live wallpaper on your PC. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So first, open the Microsoft Store and here type live wallpaper. And after you get inside, you'll see an option get or install. So let's install it. After it's installed, click on open. Now, depending upon your choice, you can choose any wallpaper you want here. For now, we'll choose this one. And simply head to your desktop. And here you go. We have set the light wallpaper on our desktop now. Now, to change it, it's really simple. Just go to lively wallpaper again and choose another wallpaper that you want to keep in your desktop. Let's click on this. Go to your desktop and here it is. We have set another live wallpaper on our desktop again. You can click anywhere here and interact with it. It's that simple. And that's it for this video on how you can set live wallpaper on your desktop. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.